friends, today we are going to do an experiment called spinning coins experiment. In this you need a scale, some magnets, coins and 2 jars of the same height. So they are spinning like this because there is a magnetic force on top of the scale pushing them to stand like this, and this one has the strongest force by the magnets. This has a little lower, and so on till here. So if this spins, nothing's going to happen like this. Also with this, also this will happen a little because it's little less strong. This is the least strong, so when you hit it, it will spin for a long time. It might fall though. You can use a straw to blow it.